Good morning 9th standard. It is English class. In the last class, I taught you a poem, A Poison Tree. Today, I am going to teach you a poem, Appreciation. Today, I am going to teach you poem Appreciation. Before that, we can recall the concept of the poem. The poet gets angry with his friend. He does not hide it. He speaks to him that he is angry. Hence, his anger ends. Their friendship continues. But the poet gets angry with his enemy. He keeps it with himself untold. The anger begins to grow every day. He waters its growth day and night with tears in fear. Like a poison tree, his anger grows day and night. One day, it begins to bear a fruit. The fruit is a bright apple. On seeing it shine, his enemy wants to taste the fruit. The enemy enters the poet's garden at night and eats the apple. The following morning, the next day morning, the poet finds his enemy dead under the tree. The poet feels happy as his enemy is no more. He is not living. Yes, what is the theme of the poem? We should not get anger with anyone. We should not get anger with anyone. Be friendly with everyone. This is the theme of this poem. Dear children, now I am going to teach you poem Appreciation. The first one, rhyming words. Rhyming words. What is that rhyming words? The words placed in the end of the line should have same sound. The words placed in the end of the line should have same sound. Here you see the first line. What is the end of the line? The word is friend. You see friend. See the second line. What is the end word, last word in the second line? End. Front, end. Both have same sound. Same rhythm. Rhyming words. Front, end. You see third line, for. The last word in third line, for. Fourth line, grow. For, grow. This both have same sound. These words have same sound. First two lines, end of the line words have same sound. Third and fourth line, ending word has same sound. Rhyming words here, front, end. For, grow. Okay. So, rhyming words in the first stanza, front, end, then for, grow. How you have to write the rhyming words? See the note. Rhyming words. Like that you have to write the heading. There under that, front, end. For, grow. Like that you have to write the rhyming words. Next one, rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme means on the base of its sound, we can give name to it. For example, you see friend. We can name it A. Second line, the rhyming words you see end. It end with end. So, friend, end. Both words have same sound. So, we can give name to them A. Then, see the third line, rhyming word for. For. It is not similar with the previous word. So, we can name it B. We can name it B because it gives different sound from the previous one. So, we can name it newly B. Then see the fourth line, grow. For, grow. Both has same sound. So, we can give the name to here B. The same B here also we can give, because both words have the same sound. Look at this, children. You see first one A, second A, because both ending word has same sound. So, we can give name A. See the third and fourth line words. It is giving different sound from the previous one. For and grow. These two words give different sound from the previous one. So, we can give another name, that is B. 4. B. The same sound grow also giving. So B here. B, B. What is the rhyme scheme in the stanza? A, B, B. You see, rhyme scheme of first stanza A, B, B. Okay, now we can go to next stanza. Okay children, see the second stanza first line. It ends with fears. Fears, tears. Both have same sound. So we can give the name to them A. You see the third and fourth line. This ends with smiles and whiles. Different sound. Not like this. It gives both words give different sound. But same sound. Smiles, whiles. So we can name them B, B. What is the rhyming words in the stanza? Fears, tears. Smiles, whiles. What is the rhyming words, that is rhyme scheme in the stanza? A, B, B. A, B, B. Second stanza rhyming words, fears, tears. Smiles, whiles. What is the rhyme scheme? A, B, B. What is that? A, B, B. Okay children. Now we can see the alliteration words. What is alliteration? The sound. You see the third line first. Sun smiles. Both word has beginning letter S. The sound S is repeated in the words sun and smiles. That is, the word begins with the same letter. That is called alliteration. We can find alliteration in the third line. So pick out the alliteration words. Question is there means you have to write the answer. Sun smiles. Should underline the beginning letter, same letter. You should underline the beginning letter. Okay ma. Now come to third stanza. You see the end of the word, end of the end of the sentence, the end of the line, the word is night. Night bright. We can name it A. Then shine, mine. We can give the name for them B. Because these two words has the same sound. These two words has the same sound. For it, we can give the name A. For them, we can give B. So what is the rhyme scheme in the third stanza? A, B. Then rhyming words. That is very easy. Night, bright. Shine, mine. This is rhyming words in the third stanza. Now we can find alliteration words in the line. You see second line. You see the second line. That both bright. The both word repeated the sound B. The words, both words beginning with the letter B. So this is alliteration of this stanza. Okay. Now you see rhyming words. Night bright, shine mine. Rhyme scheme A, B. Alliteration words both bright. You should underline the begins letters. Okay. Okay children. Now come to fourth stanza. Fourth stanza. You see the last word. Stole, pole. Both have same sound. This is rhyming words. Stole, pole. Then see, tree. Both have same sound. Rhyming words you see. Stole, pole. Then see, tree. We can give the name to them A. Then B. Okay children. Rhyme scheme A, B. Rhyming words stole, pole, see, tree. Okay children. I hope that you understood the poem appreciation very well. Now I am going to give you homework.